Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be a review and demo of the Maybelline Fit Me range. So I'm going to focus on the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, foundation and loose powder. And I'm also going to explain later in the video how this range is perfect for the new normal, that is wearing mask all the time. So without a further ado, let's get started. Today's comment shout out goes to Miss Rajasha. Thank you so much for the comments. Let's talk about the concealer first. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Honey, and this shade is perfect for me. It matches my skin tone perfectly, and you can use it under your foundation to hide your blemishes, redness or slight dark circles if you have. If you have very heavy, very dark pigmentation, you can do color correction, and on top you can apply this concealer. Because this concealer is really very lightweight, you don't even feel like you have a concealer on your face. If you want to learn how to find your concealer or foundation shade online, you can watch my how to choose a shade online video over here, and additionally you can also try the Maybelline virtual try on so that you know which shade suits you perfectly. So yeah, coming back to this concealer, if you don't want a very high coverage, very heavy coverage, and if you just want to cover a little bit of redness, blemishes, dark circles like here and there for everyday kind of makeup look, then this concealer is perfect for you, especially under mask. I don't think you would want a heavy coverage, right? You might be just wanting something light on your face. If you're wearing foundation, you can even apply it after you're done with the foundation for a highlighting effect. If the shade is little light for you, then this works really well for brightening. And the best part is that the Fit Me range is non-comedogenic, that is, it doesn't clog your pores. So what happens when you wear a mask, if you're wearing any makeup or any skincare products, they tend to melt a bit due to the heat. So it's really important for the products to be non-comedogenic, otherwise it can clog your pores, and which results in acne or maskne or maskne, I don't know how to pronounce it. So if you need to wear makeup under your mask, it's important for the products to be non-comedogenic. So I think the Fit Me range is perfect for this pandemic to be worn under your mask. Next, let's talk about the foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228, that is Soft Tan. It's a mattifying foundation, so oily skin people are gonna love it, but I don't think it's too matte. So for example, this is a scale from dewy to matte. I think Maybelline Fit Me foundation falls somewhere over here, so it's not like ekdam se full matte that your skin feels uncomfortable. So even combination skin people are gonna love it, and even dry skin people are going to love it if you prep your skin really well. And this foundation is really runny and lightweight, so it does not feel uncomfortable, and due to the runny consistency, it still feels hydrating on your face, and I've never faced any dehydration or dryness after wearing this foundation. So I think this can be worn by all skin types depending on how you prep your skin. If you have extremely dry skin, and if no foundation is feeling comfortable on your face, then you can try spritzing face mist after each step. This is what I love to do. So since the foundation is really lightweight and has runny consistency, it again is perfect to be worn under your mask, and I'm in the shade 228 Soft Tan. This foundation is a perfect match for me. Due to the pandemic, I may have got 1 or 2 shades lighter, but generally this is the shade which matches me perfectly, and this was the first foundation which matched me actually. Before that, no foundation had matched me. The shopkeepers used to always sell me the lighter shade of foundation, and after I started understanding makeup, this was my first foundation purchase which actually matched me. I have gone through a full bottle of this last year. That time it did not come with a pump, and now it comes with a pump, so I was gonna buy it again, but I'm really thankful for Maybelline to send me the foundation. I really love this foundation. I love the formula. I love how it sits on my face. So if you're a beginner especially, I feel this is the perfect foundation to go for as your first foundation, and this formula is really easy to work with. That's why it's perfect for beginners. I'm not saying it's only for beginners, anybody can use it, but if you're planning to buy your first foundation, I feel Maybelline Fit Me is the perfect one. Next, let's talk about the Maybelline Fit Me Finishing Loose Powder. This is in the shade 15 Light. I love this loose powder so much because it's finely melted, and I like to set my concealer with it always, and I like to use a little lighter shade so that the under eyes are brightened, and I also like to set my T-zone sometimes with it if I'm feeling oily. If you have oily skin, you can even put it all over your face given the shade matches you perfectly. But this powder is little bit light for me, so I like to use it under my eyes and on my T-zone so that the center of my face is highlighted and also the oil is controlled. It also sets your makeup really well. If you have like extremely oily skin and if your foundation is not really staying and it's melting off, then it's important that you apply some powder. Compact powders are better for adding coverage, but if you really want to set something and you don't want your makeup to move away and not crease, then I feel loose powder is perfect. And if you're looking for a loose powder, Maybelline Fit Me is really good. If you want a powder foundation, you can even try the Maybelline Fit Me powder foundation. The formula is really great again, but my skin is towards dry side, so I don't enjoy powder foundation so much, and this shade 235 is very light for me, so I'm gonna skip this. But if you like powder foundations, then this is a great option. And even after you're done with your base makeup after foundation, if you still want a little bit more coverage, you can still add powder foundation on top just like a compact powder, and it's gonna add the extra coverage you need. I also have the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose. I really like this blush. This is perfect to be worn every day. It's not highly pigmented that you look like a joker, but it's just the perfect amount of pigment that cannot go wrong, and it looks really natural as well. So I'll just show you mask test. So even if you choose to wear a mask on top, and see, I'm tapping okay my face, I still can't see any foundation patches over here. So this is skin fit as well as mask fit, and I love how my base is looking. I would highly recommend you to get the Fit Me range if you want to get some base products, and if you're looking for a drugstore option, I feel Maybelline makes amazing products, and they have various shades available matching various skin tones, so you can definitely look for the options which will suit your skin tone. You can watch my foundation guide as to how to choose a foundation online, and you can choose a shade accordingly. If you have any more questions about this range, please let me know in the comments down below. I reply to all the comments. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll leave all the links in the description box below so you can check it out. And please give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.